So, your apartment's fine, but what if your lights knew your mood? Your air purified itself and your coffee started brewing before you even got out of bed? This isn't sci-fi, it's smart living in 2025, and you don't need to own your home or call an electrician to get there. In this video, we're covering 10 trending smart gadgets from Amazon that'll instantly upgrade your apartment. No drilling, no drama. Whether you're living solo, sharing space, or just want your home to work smarter, there's something here for you. And the best part, they're renter-friendly. No complicated installs, no landlord complaints. Just plug, stick, and there you go, your place is now smarter. Whether you're living solo, with roommates, or just trying to make your home work smarter, there's something here for you. Let's jump right into it. Google Nest Thermostat 2025 edition. Let's kick things off with something that saves you money and makes your place feel smarter instantly. This little device isn't just a fancy temperature dial, it actually learns your routine. When you're home, when you're out, when you like things warm, and when you want them cool. Over time, it adjusts your settings to save energy automatically without you lifting a finger. And no, you don't need to mess with wiring. The 2025 model is renter-friendly. It can run on batteries or a simple wall mount. So even if you live in a tiny apartment, you're good. You can control it with your phone, your voice, or even automate it using Google Assistant, Alexa, or Apple HomeKit, thanks to its full Matter support. People say it cuts their energy bill by up to 15%, and honestly, it just looks sleek sitting on the wall. If you want a low-effort, high-impact upgrade that pays for itself, start here. Philips Hue Gradient Light Strip. If your lighting is still stuck on or off, you're missing out. The Philips Hue Gradient Light Strip makes your space feel like an actual vibe. Unlike basic LED strips, this one shows multiple colors at once, smoothly blending from warm sunset orange to cool ocean blue, all on the same strip. You can wrap it around your TV, under your bed, behind shelves, or wherever you want that soft glowing energy. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant Siri, and Matter, so you can control the lights with just your voice. Want to set the mood for movie night or wind down before bed? Just say the word. Installation's super easy, just peel, stick, and plug in. No drilling, no tools, and no stress. And if you're into smart scenes, the Hue app lets you sync lighting to your audio tunes, schedule wake-up lighting, or even trigger color changes when the door opens. Basically, it's mood lighting, but more evolved. TP-Link Kasa HS300 Smart Power Strip. The next gadget doesn't get enough credit, but once you try it, there's no going back. The TP-Link Kasa HS500 is a smart power strip with 6 individually controlled outlets, 3 USB ports, and built-in surge protection. Sounds basic, right? But it's a total game changer. You can schedule each plug to turn on or off automatically, like your lamp turning on at sunset or your fan switching off while you sleep. It also tracks energy usage for each device, so you know what's secretly draining your bill. And get this, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can literally say, "Hey Google, turn off everything in my bedroom," and boom, done. No hub, no complicated setup. Just plug it into any outlet, download the Kasa app, and control the entire setup from your phone. It's perfect for smart apartments where every outlet matters and multitasking is key. Smart power is underrated until you have it. Coway Airmega 200M Smart Air Purifier. Clean air makes a bigger difference than you think, and the Coway Airmega 200M is one of the best ways to get it in a small apartment. It uses a true HEPA filter and activated carbon to remove up to 99.7% of dust, allergens, smoke, and odors. The built-in air quality sensor automatically adjusts fan speed based on how clean your air is, and the colored indicator lets you see air quality in real time. It's whisper quiet in echo mode and ideal for bedrooms, studios, or any space up to 361 square feet. Just plug it in. No drilling, no setup stress. Plus, it supports Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control it by voice or through the app. You can even set schedules or turn it off remotely. If you cook a lot, have allergies, or live in a dusty city, this little purifier quietly makes your space feel fresher and healthier every day. Ring Video Doorbell Elite Power over Ethernet. Let's be honest, not knowing who's at your door is kind of outdated. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired gives you real-time video, two-way talk, motion alerts, and night vision, all for under $70. And the new 2025 version is faster, clearer, and way more impressive. Whether it's a delivery, a neighbor, or someone you'd rather not answer for, you can see, hear, and speak to them from your phone, even if you're out grocery shopping or halfway across the country. It connects via Wi-Fi, works with Alexa, and stores clips in the cloud with a low-cost Ring Protect plan. The setups are easy, even in apartments, with plug-in adapters if you don't want to mess with wiring. If you're a renter, just double-check with your landlord, but many places are cool with it, especially if it means better security. It's a peace of mind in a palm-sized box, and once you install it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Amazon Astro Guard, personal home robot. Okay, this one's wild. Meet Amazon Astro Guard, a compact home robot that's part security system, part smart assistant, and 100% futuristic. Astro roams around your apartment checking for unusual motion, monitoring rooms while you're out, and even alerting you if it hears glass breaking or your smoke alarm going off. And no, it's not creepy. It's actually kind of cute. It integrates with Alexa so you can tell it to check on your front door, patrol the living room, or show you a live feed, all from your phone. You can even send it to a specific room and check the camera remotely. It's built for apartments too, quiet, compact, and doesn't need installation. The 2025 model added better obstacle avoidance and smarter behavior, so it feels more like a helpful pet than a robot. It's not cheap, around $1,600, but if you're serious about tech and security, this is the ultimate flex for a smart home. Wyze Lock V3. Ever left your apartment and instantly thought, wait, did I lock the door? Yeah, same. The Wyze Lock V3 is the smart deadbolt that makes that question disappear. It auto-locks when you leave, unlocks when you get close, and lets you create temporary access codes for friends, deliveries, or roommates, all from your phone. The best part? You don't have to replace your whole lock. It installs on the inside of your door over the existing deadbolt, so your landlord won't break out. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and with Wyze's new Matter integration, it now works better across all smart home ecosystems. You can check lock status from anywhere and even get notifications when someone locks or unlocks the door. Plus, it's super quiet and sleek. It just feels like the future. If you want that smart home security without hiring a locksmith or breaking a lease, this is it. Kasa Smart 4K Pawn Tilt Wi-Fi Camera. This one's for when you want eyes on your space, whether it's your pet, your packages, or just peace of mind while you're out. The Kasa KC420S2 is a compact 4K smart security camera with pan and tilt functionality, so it can rotate and follow motion across your room. And yes, it's razor sharp. You can zoom in and still see detail. You control everything from your phone, and it's fully compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. It even has night vision, a privacy shutter, and a local storage option. No subscription needed if you opt in a micro SD card. Mount it to a shelf, stick it on a desk, or tuck it in a corner. No drilling or complicated setup. Just plug it in and connect it via Wi-Fi. For renters who want security without a full system, this is one of the smartest, most affordable choices out there. Nano leaf lines, second generation, modular smart light bars. Lighting is everything. And if you want your apartment to actually look like your space, Nano leaf lines are the move. These are modular light bars you stick right on your wall in whatever pattern you want. Zigzags, arrows, geometric vibes, and they light up with animated colors that can sync to your screen or just your mood. The new second-gen model is brighter, supports Matter, and has better adhesive backing for easier renter-safe installation. No screws, no damage, just peel, stick, and glow. You can control them with the Nano Leaf app, or go hands-free with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. And if you're gaming, they can sync with your setup for full RGB immersion. If you're in a chill mood, set a slow ambient wave and watch your wall come to life. They're not just smart lights, they're decor that reacts. Great for bedrooms, living rooms, or anywhere you want to make a statement. Instant Pot Duo Crisp plus Air Fryer Smart Wi-Fi. Last but definitely not least, if your kitchen's missing some smart applications, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp with Wi-Fi is for you. It's an all-in-one pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and more. Basically, it replaces half your kitchen and takes up just one corner of the counter. But the real upgrade? Wi-Fi control. You can start, stop, monitor, and adjust your cooking from your phone using the Instant Brands app. Running late? Delay the cooking. Craving wings on the way home? Fire up the air fryer remotely. It also works with Alexa, so yes, you can say, "Alexa, start dinner," and it actually happens. It's perfect for apartment dwellers who want maximum function without clutter. Whether you're meal prepping or just trying not to burn your pasta again, this thing has your back, and it makes you feel like a kitchen genius, even if you can barely cook. Alright, so let's be real, your apartment probably doesn't need all 10 of these gadgets. But to be honest, didn't at least one of them make you go, okay, I kinda wish I had that? The Nest thermostat that's smarter than your landlord, the air purifier that silently fights off dust and pet hair, the Nano Leaf light bars that literally make your wall dance. Gadgets are more than just tech. They're quality of life upgrades that make daily routines smoother, safer, and way more fun. And the best part? None of this requires owning your home. Every item we featured today was picked with renters and small space dwellers in mind. So whether you're in a studio apartment, a shared flat, or even a dorm, you can turn your place into something that feels more you without a large renovation budget. So now I want to hear from you. Which gadget was your favorite? Is there one you're actually going to try out? Or better yet, is there a gadget we missed that deserves to be on this list? Let me know in the comments. I might do a part 2 with some of your recommendations. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps way more than you think. And if you're into smart living, tech upgrades, or apartment hacks, make sure to subscribe as we've got plenty more videos like this coming up. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart, stay cozy, and make your space work for you.